How to use a Visa gift card on Roblox. Whether it's for buying Robux, premium memberships, or in-game items, using a Visa gift card on Roblox is simple once you know the steps. Let's dive in. Launch your Roblox app, or also you can launch your Roblox account in the web browser. Once you are logged in, you'll land to this kind of interface. Now over here you'll find this option of Robux. Click on that. Once you're in this page, over here you're gonna find different packages, likewise Robux. Select the Robux that you wanna purchase. Just go ahead and click on it. For this video, I'm gonna select this one. Once you select the Robux, you'll be directed to the payment page. Now from here you have to select the option of Visa, the very first one. Now you have to fill this. Type in the email address, card number, expiration date, CVC, cardholder's name, and then country. Then check in for the option agree to terms and conditions, and after you provide all the details, you can pay. With that, your Visa gift card will be updated as payment method in the Roblox account. And that's how you use a Visa gift card on Roblox. It's a quick and easy way to get Robux or a premium membership without needing a traditional credit card. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching.